Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to just bring the Google Street View to your CC5, the Character Creator 5, to just make it become the image-based lighting. This picture I take it from Google Street View. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step how to set this. The Google Street View to Character Creator 5 and make it become the image-based lighting. So I'm going to just go to a fresh new project, and I'm going to just open a 3D avatar, the CC5 avatar. And the next step, we are going to capture the Google Street View. So to get the Google Street View, you need to go to your internet browser and just type maps.google.com. Then wait. Alright. Go to the maps.google.com and we are going to just find a street view. Let's say I'm going to just find from here. I click. You should be able to see the street view if it is available. Let's say if I click here, not available. What about here? The street view is available. Just click it. Now this is the Google Street View from Singapore. What you need to do is just copy this and just go to the Street View download 360. Alright, if you don't have this app in your computer, you can just go to the official site to download it. It is a free software, Street View download 360. Click it. Just now I already copied this link. I'm going to just paste it here, Ctrl V. And the path to save the file, I choose the Street View. You have to choose a proper path from here. As demo, I'm going to just choose the download folder. Save. Alright, now, next, I just click download the Panorama. The resolution you can just take as the default. This one should be okay. If you want to have a very clear street view, you can just choose this. So now I click download Panorama. A file with the same file name is already exists, so I just choose the file name here. Right, download the Panorama. Now it is downloading. Done. Download completed. Alright, now the CC5 also is ready. Load the 3D avatar. So next I'm going to the download folder. Just right click here, go to the download folder. The Street View 360 degree is already downloaded here. This is the Street View. So it is an equilateral file. It is an equilateral image. So now I close this. I'm going to just add this into the CC4 as an image based lighting. So as demo, I'm going to just go to the scene and just turn off all the lights. The light is at here. I turn off all the lights first. Make sure it is completely dark, and I'm going to show you the demo. Now this is completely dark. So next, just go to the window workplace and choose the standard. Go to the visual, click here. You should be able to see the IBL, the image-based lighting. So now, just open your download folder, the Street View 360 degrees, just drag it to here. And then the strength, you can just make it. But before that, if it is 0, it is completely dark. We are going to just make this as the image-based lighting. First you show the sky. Then the sky blur, you just make it clear. In this way. Alright. Next, just turn on the IBL. Drag. It is automatically use the panorama. Use the panorama as the image-based lighting. So it is quite cool. Now the Google Street View is already at here. You can just scroll up and down to make sure your avatar is fit to the place in this way. say, or you can just put her at here. Alright, it is really easy. Alright, at the same time it also provides the lighting, because I already show you I already turned off all the lights. Now the image based lighting totally are from this picture. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Google Street View into the CC5, the Character Creator 5, and make it become the image based lighting. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!